Do you feel that you have some pain from the past that you just can't seem to let go of? You just can't seem to get over it no matter what you do. And you have forgiven and forgiven, and or you just hold on to that resentment year after year, and you notice that it is simply taking up so much of your bandwidth, and you're ready to move to a new place with it. If so, then I invite you to join me because I offer free forgiveness workshops, and I have one coming up, and I'd love for you to come and join me. We do some deep work in a group setting, and this is an opportunity for you to have real movement in getting over it, in letting go, in moving on, in whatever your heart's desire is. Even if the person has passed away or you'll never speak to them again, no matter what the situations and circumstances are, I've been doing this work for so long, and I know that no matter what the past has been, you can get free in this moment now. And that's what I wish for you. I've helped many thousands of people to do this. And if you're interested, come to my free workshop. There are no strings attached. This is simply my offering to you because even though I may not have met you, I love you, and I'd like to support you in living your best life free of that past. So come join me, won't you?